Does your Smart TNT Sun SIM not have data connection? Trying to turn on your mobile data but no data icon is showing? Maybe your SIM blocked. Mostly and common causes why SIM is getting blocked is by using VPN, virtual private network, trying to cheat the network, bypassing data connection for heavy downloads or too much data usage. Try this tutorial that may help you to revive your SIM card. Requirement: LTE Upgrade SIM Tutorial 1. Using your blocked SIM text get PIN to 7927 for free. Wait for a second and you will receive the PIN. 2. Insert your new LTE Upgrade SIM. 3. After inserting your new LTE Upgrade SIM, turn on your phone and there's a prompt message with a blank space, then enter the PIN that you get from your blocked SIM. 4. Keep your phone idle and wait for 15 minutes. 5. Restart or reboot your phone and wait for SMS Conformation saying that you successfully upgraded your SIM. Finally, your SIM card and mobile data is unblocked and upgraded.